Classic brownies recipe ingredients. 1 cup, 225 g, unsalted butter. 2 cups, 400 g, granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup, 125 g, all-purpose flour. 1 cup, 120 g, unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, optional for a slightly cakier texture. 1 cup, 175 g, chocolate chips or chopped chocolate, optional for extra richness. Instructions: preheat the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x13-inch 23 by 33 centimeters baking pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Melt the butter. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Once melted, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the sugar until fully combined. Let the mixture cool slightly. Mix in eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs, one at a time, to the butter-sugar mixture, whisking well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder if using. This helps to ensure there are no lumps and that the ingredients are evenly distributed. Incorporate the dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring just until combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the brownies tough. Add chocolate chips. If you're using chocolate chips or chopped chocolate, fold them into the batter at this point for extra chocolatey goodness. Pour into the pan. Pour the brownie batter into your prepared baking pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. The exact time may vary depending on your oven and desired brownie texture, gooey versus more set. Cool and serve. Once baked, remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool in the pan on a wire rack. Once cooled, slice them into squares and enjoy. Tips: for fudgier brownies, bake them for the shorter end of the time range. For a more cakey texture, you can add the baking powder as mentioned in the ingredients. Brownies are delicious when served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your homemade brownies.